Hi everyone, my name is Mike and welcome to Code Corpora, where we focus on delivering short, targeted, to-the-point coding tutorials. Today we are talking about the int function. Its main purpose is to convert a string that contains numeric characters into an integer. To start off, we create a string variable referred to as number string and set it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Following that, we are going to use the int function to convert this string into an integer. We assign a name to this new entity and call it numberInt. For the final step, we employ the print function to lay out this transformed value. Observing the result, we can see that the string 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 has flawlessly morphed into the integer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we demonstrate how to use int function to convert a floating point number into an integer. Initially, we define a variable called numberFloat and assign it the floating point value of 123.45. Afterwards, the int function is invoked on this floating point number, and the result, an integer, is stored in a variable called numberInt. Lastly, we use the print function, which outputs the integer value derived from the conversion of the float, 123.45. From the output, we can see that the function int has successfully truncated the decimals and converted 123.45 to 123. Sometimes you may try to convert a string that does not represent a number into an integer, which would result in a value error. In the above Python code snippet, we try to convert a non-numeric string, and that string is Python, into an integer using the int function. Since the operation is invalid and would cause an error, we place it inside a try except block. This practice of handling exceptions ensures that our program would not crash if it encounters an error, but graciously handle it. As expected, an error occurs which is neatly caught and handled by the except value error block, which prints a message notifying us that a non-numeric string cannot be converted to an integer. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It helps us know we are making valuable content and helps support the channel. Happy coding!